कम होते हैं ओपन जिम, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
सबसे पहले तो आई थिंक I personally am so proud of Aditya, Dino, we all here with our mayor to inaugurate this. This is such a fantastic, I feel it's the biggest and the best contribution one can make to our society. I miss कि जब मैं छोटा था, when I was in my teens, हमारे पास in Mumbai we didn't have such structures, we didn't have access to gyms, we didn't have now while you're walking around the streets of Mumbai, on the beach, on the sea face, where else we have
Shivaji Park,
all the stations. You have access to a workout, spend 15 minutes a day also. It leads to a healthy body, it leads to a healthy mind, leads to a stronger acumen. You can, a disciplined body will lead to a disciplined society. It's the best starting off point for anything you want to achieve in life. Your body is the one thing that you own, that's all yours. And it's a fantastic way to teach your mind what discipline is and what being healthy is. So I think that this is the best contribution one can make. And it's free. So I mean, I think that's why it's the best contribution one can make. It's beautiful.
ऋतिक, आपकी बात करें तो आप कितने बड़े फिटनेस फ्रीक हैं?
फिटनेस फ्रीक होना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. एक फ्रीक होना इम्पोर्टेंट, इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. जो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, जो इम्पोर्टेंट है इज हेल्थ. हम सब के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है दैट वी लर्न दैट हेल्थ इज़ आवर मेन वेल्थ. क्योंकि अगर आप देखें तो आपके जो भी अपनी लाइफ में जो सबसे खुशी के मोमेंट्स हैं, those moments would not have been there if you didn't have your health. If it was victory, if it was celebration, अगर आप पार्टी में हैं, जो भी, अगर आपकी हेल्थ आपके साथ ना हो तो you can't even celebrate, you can't be happy, you know, you will be bedridden. So it is so important to understand कि हमारे पास जो एक चीज़ है that leads to everything else is our health. तो बहुत important है. Six pack, bicep, that is not what health is about. अगर आप को उसका इंस्पिरेशन है, एस्पिरेशन है, तो ऑफ कोर्स दैट कम्स फ्रॉम हार्ड वर्क, डिसिप्लिन और डाइट. लेकिन जस्ट एक कॉमन तौर पे हेल्थ इज़ what we are trying to propagate here. It is your health. So you go for morning walks, you come to play in the garden, the children come. Now they can actually understand what it is to work out and to feel, you know, the blood in your veins and feel stronger.
And he's got his own fitness brand also,
which I'm starting now. Yes.
डाइट फॉलो करते हैं इसके लिए?
डाइट तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यार. We all know that. सब पूछते रहते हैं लेकिन सबको मालूम है कि डाइटिंग क्या होती है. Don't eat so much of fried stuff. Don't eat so much of sweets. Don't eat so much of oil. और पूछना बंद कीजिए और कीजिए. We all know कि डाइटिंग क्या है. We all know what is good to eat, what is bad to eat. लेकिन हम करते नहीं हैं, पूछते रहते हैं कि करें क्या. आपको सबको मालूम है what we have to do. Just do it.
Aditya, I wanted to ask, how does it feel with this initiative?
I think it's really fantastic. The moment Dino got this to me, last year we started putting up stations everywhere. It's in Mumbai, it's in Thane, and I would love to thank Dino for this amazing initiative. So I was very inspired by that, and the moment we were thinking of someone inaugurating this big thing for Mumbai, I was like, you have to come for this, and thank you so much for coming.
Pleasure.
Thanks so much for coming.
Dino, can you give your feeling on how many centers have you done so far and how does it feel?
This is our 10th fitness station. We have 140 more to
Yeah,
go.
baby.
140, 140 और करना है. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि everybody and the youth especially helps us, supports us, and gives us all the permissions we need to set this up.
Thank you.